A humble IKEA spice rack may look simple and modest, but behind that straightforward design, if you look with an open mind, you'll find a lot of ingenious secrets. We're talking about all the creative ways in which you can repurpose this piece and all the hacks that revolve around it. Check this out. 1. Use a spice rack as a towel rod in the bathroom. Sure, you can use an actual towel rods, but it wouldn't come with that tiny shelf on top. 2. Or turn the spice rack upside down and transform it into a clothes hanging rod. A simple and useful idea to apply when decorating the entryway, the bedroom, or the kids' room. 3. Take the spice racks into the bathroom where you can mount them on the wall next to your mirror and use them as storage for all of your hairstyling and makeup products. 4. Install one or two of these spice racks on your baby changing station to organize and store all the baby wipes, lotions, and any other supplies you need. 5. Turn the spice rack upside down so you can turn it into a clothes hanging rod and make this a station where the kids can store their backpack and uniform when they come home from school. 6. Transform a few of these spice racks into bookshelves for your reading corner. Mount them on the wall to save floor space and install them wherever you want. 7. Need a practical and simple way to organize your necklaces? Use the IKEA spice rack. It will even provide you with a small shelf for displaying a framed picture, small decorations, and other things. 8. For the entrance, add a few hooks to the underside of an IKEA spice rack so you can organize your keys and other belongings. Store gloves, sunglasses, and other small things on top. 9. In general, these spice racks are ideal for storing and organizing small collections such as your nail polish bottles, but first make the racks more attractive by painting them. 10. You can also use the IKEA spice rack as a place to store the cup. 11. This one idea is very unique, and I'm happy. How about you? 12. Is your kitchen tight? Say no more. With this IKEA spice rack hack, you can store various cooking utensils when not in use. 13. These IKEA spice racks have the perfect dimensions for keeping all of your washi tape or ribbon rolls organized, so put them to good use and build a custom storage system. 14. A pair of IKEA spice racks could be combined like this. Take 2 leather belts and use them to secure the racks together. The one on top can be a shelf and the one on the bottom can be a storage shelf for planters, vases, etc. 15. Your son really likes arts or crafts? Then you should try to hack this one. This idea is very brilliant. 16. One more idea to make IKEA spice rack as a place to store keys. Amazing. 17. I really like this one idea. If you have a lot of cameras and various accessories, this IKEA hack idea, then you should try. 18. Cupcake added some hooks at the bottom and used it to display and organize her necklace collection. It's so easy and simple to do right at home. 19. Took several of these racks and attached them to a pegboard behind their desk. Use them to organize and decorate in the home office or craft room. 20. We found this beauty on Pinterest and have been swooning over its simplicity and function. Jazz up the guest bathroom a little bit, a place for extra flowers and hand towels. 21. Made by Mood used them to display tile pieces for extra pops of color and texture on the walls. We love this creative collage feel.